சிரிப்பே மேஜிக் டச்சு மனசு என்ற அற்புத லாம்பில் மகிழ்ச்சி தானே சுவிட்சு வா புனைவோம் தெனாலி ராமன் வேடமிதை நீ அறிவாய் முல்லா பேர்பால் பாடமிது.
என் பேர் ஆதித்யா கஷ்யப் and I'm joined today by my siblings Arabi and Aniruddha. We have a very, very long standing relationship with Ungal Trinjabadi Crazy Mohan, Engal Trinjabadi Mohan Mama, always. Right? Our families have been family friends now for over 5 decades, and Mohan Mama is family. Over all of these years, எங்க அப்பா மோகன் மாமாவோட ட்ரூப்ல நடிச்சிருக்கா. எங்க பெரியப்பா is one of the founding members of Crazy Creations, Suji Srinivasan, வாசுதேவான்னு கூப்பிடுவோம். All Madhu Mama, Balaji Mama, for example, எல்லாரும் we've been as kids and even post that சேர்ந்து சபரிமலை போவோம், and they are very much family for us. Mohan Mama, Balaji Mama, all of them are family, and as a beginning, on behalf of the three of us, we would like to thank Balaji Mama for giving us this opportunity to speak about Mohan Mama. It's something that we do a lot between the three of us, but to share that with everyone is a great opportunity. So thank you for that. I think என்னோட பர்சனல் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தேன்னா about Mohan Mama. நான் ஒரு சின்ன வயசுல மேபி அபவுட் 1.5 years தான் இருக்குச்சவே. இஃப் யூ கைஸ் ரிமெம்பர், யூ கைஸ் வுடன்ட் ரிமெம்பர், பட் நீங்க வந்து மேபி யூட் ஹவ் சீன் இட் ஆர்பி அண்ட் அனி இன் டிவி. ஒரு சின்ன டிவி சீரிஸ் ஹியர் இஸ் கிரேசி அப்படின்னு மோகன் மாமா ஹேட் காஸ்ட் மீ டு ஆக்ட் இன் ஒரு வெரி இன்கான்சிக்வென்ஷியல் ரோல். மோகன் மாமா ஹேட் கிவன் மீ இன் த டிவி சீரீஸ். எனக்கு ஞாபகமும் இல்லை நான் என்ன நடிச்சேன், என்ன பண்ணேன். ஐ ஹேவ் அப்சல்யூட்லி நோ ரிகலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் இட். பட் அந்த ஷோடைய success event, Mohan Mama had actually called me on stage, a 2-year-old kid, and he felicitated me in front of the entire audience. I think Ardhana Sabau ran to Holly on another. Like and there is like a big picture of that felicitation that still exists in our living room back in Chennai. So at the first memory of Mohan Mama is for somebody like me who is so inconsequential also. Mohan Mama didn't forget. சின்ன பையன் ஏதோ ஒரு சீன் நடிச்சான், 5 செகண்ட் நடிச்சான், வாட் எவர், பட் அவனையும் ஸ்டேஜ்ல கூப்பிடணும், அவனையும் ஃபெலிசிட்டேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு. ஐ திங்க் தட் த பீப்புள் ஹூ ஒர்க் வித் மோகன் மாமா டெஃபினட்டா மோகன் மாமா விட்டு கொடுத்ததே கிடையாது. ரைட்? அண்ட் தட் இஸ் ட்ரூ ஈவன் ஃபார் சம்மன் லைக் மீ ஹூ வாஸ் அ கிட் அட் தட் பாயிண்ட். அதான் எனக்கு என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெமரிஸ் ஆஃப் மோகன் மாமா. நம்ம இதை பத்தி நிறைய பேசியிருக்கோம். ஆர்பி, வாட் வேர் யோர் லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெமரிஸ் அபவுட் மோகன் மாமா?
I think Mohan Mama is someone that we realize that we have immortalized all him and his work all our lives, but he's been so grounded, so rooted. எனக்கு வந்து even till the end, he's such a big personality, like so famous, so popular across the globe, and we've grown up like watching so many of his plays, his writing for films, and we've interacted with him so closely. And at the end of the day, he made like having Tayir Sadam with Adirsam cool. He made like those simple choices that he made. He said pongal எனக்கு காத்தால இருந்தா நான் உலகத்துல எங்க இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு பொங்கல் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருங்கோ, இல்ல தயிர் சாதம் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருங்கோ. Things like that which really made us feel like however much you grow, however famous you are, it's really important to be true to yourself and your roots. So that was, I think, a very, very big learning. And சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே வந்து I'm a dancer. ஸோ என்னோட எல்லா பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸஸ்க்கும், வெதர் இட் இஸ் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ஸ்கூல் டே பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லைனாக்கா நம்மளோட பட்டமால் ஸ்ட்ரீட்லயே வந்து ஒரு கிளப் ஒன்று இருந்தது, ஒரு சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் கிளப். ஸோ அங்க பெர்ஃபார்மன்சஸ் நம்ம ரோட்ல ஜஸ்ட் சும்மா ஒரு பாரதியார் டே அப்படின்னு இல்லை இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே அப்படின்னு ஆடினோம்னா கூட மோகன் மாமா வாஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் தேர் டு சப்போர்ட் ஆல் த கிட்ஸ். He'd be there for all the dance performances. He'd be there to sort of review the poetry that we picked to perform for. Little things like that which he did for us, I think really goes a very, very long way in showing how much he cared for his people and how we really felt like we were family. அண்ட் சின்ன வயசுலயே வந்து எனக்கு நாய்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பயம். அண்ட் எல்லாருமே என்கிட்ட சொல்லுவாங்க, எவ்ரி ஒன் இந்த ஃபேமிலி ஹியர் இன்ஃபேக்ட் யூஆர் ஆல் பெட் லவர்ஸ் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஃபார் மீ இட் வாஸ் லைக் ஐ வாஸ் த sort of black sheep pun intended. So எனக்கு வந்து everybody loves pets, but எனக்கு மட்டும் ஏன் இவ்வளவு பயமா இருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு I remember walking out on the street, and மோகன் மாமா வந்து அம்மனியம்மாள் ஸ்ட்ரீட்ல பக்கத்து ஸ்ட்ரீட்ல தான் they live. So the Amaniyamal Street, Patamal Street, St. Mary's Road, I'm daily walking pova. And I remember once when he was walking across our house, I realized he was also extremely phobic. Suddenly it gave me one whole, sort of bonding with Mohan Mama in terms of ungalku naina bayama, enakku naina bayam. Okay, fine, நம்ம friends ஆயிக்கலாம். அந்த மாதிரி we had like, since I was a kid, there was something that he did that made him relatable to everybody, whether it was a 3-year-old or a 5-year-old or a 10-year-old or a 70-year-old. He had something in him that everybody could relate to. So that's like,
Aravi, actually, Mohan Mama and Vannapati pesache, I cannot take away Mandavali Kushbu from the equation.
Oh my God!
Right? Mandavali Kushbu, avdine, உனக்கு பேரு அத பத்தி like it is so integral to Mohan Mama and your relationship in நினைக்கிறேன். Right? What was that about?
I have no idea. So there's still like conspiracy theories running about whether I think he called me that at one point, and our cousin Yadu, who now lives in Switzerland in Geneva, at one point. So I don't know. I think he just saw how round and like cute I was. Maybe I don't know. I'm hoping he was a Kushbu fan. So he used to call me Mandavali Kushbu. So எங்க எப்படி போனாலும் Mandavali Kushbu இங்க வாமா அப்படிதான் என்ன கூப்பிடுவார் for many years. That's like
correct. That's another thing that
he had like these crazy nicknames for a lot of us in நினைக்கிறேன்.
Correct. Ani, what were your first memories of Mohan Mama?
So my first memories of Mohan Mama, I think you have shared a lot of how we grew up around Mohan Mama and the same locality. But for me, it was watching MMKR movie about how he could just take one word, like mean, abhin or word or a full scene on the mean வந்து சாம்பார்ல விழுந்து, and people like go, I mean what I mean. இல்ல ஓய் சின்ன மீனை போட்டுதா ஓய் பெரிய மீனை பிடிக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபுல் சீக்வன்ஸே ஒரே வேர்டு வச்சு பண்றது. வெரி சிமிலர். அதே மாதிரி பஞ்சதந்திரம் வந்து there are a lot of like scenes like that, like பின்னாடி முன்னாடி கண்ணாடி அந்த மாதிரி வச்சு. ஆர் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச சீன் ஒன்று, ஆர் ஒன் டைலாக் வாஸ் when சிம்ரன் வந்து ரொம்ப கோவத்துல வந்து தேவயானி, சிம்ரன் அண்ட் கமல் ஒரு சீன்ல வந்து ஹோட்டல் ரூம்ல இருப்பான். அப்போ சிம்ரன் ஜஸ்ட் கோஸ் ஏமாத்திர இல்ல, தேவயானி கோஸ் ஏமாத்திர சால்ட் அண்ட் பெப்பரோட நான் தான் சாப்பிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு. அந்த சின்ன ஏமாத்திர வச்சு அந்த டூ connotations to it. So that's had like a huge impact for me growing up, listening to all those dialogues. I think apart from that, ஒரு general impact என்ன இருந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா, in all our lives right now, we use a lot of these dialogues. Like to just give an example, ஆஃபீஸ்ல வந்து நம்ம மேனேஜர் ஏதாவது ஒரு கேள்வி நம்மளுக்கு தப்பு அப்படின்னு ஏதாவது ஒன்று கேட்டா அப்படின்னா, we'll always go like, கேள்வி கேட்கறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி மாமா, பதில் சொல்லி பாருங்க அப்போ புரியும் உங்களுக்கு. ஆர் வீட்ல வந்து ஆர் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆர் வீட்ல யாராவது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு செம்மையா ஒரு நாள் வந்து அட்வைஸ் கொடுத்தா அப்படின்னா, அப்படியே பேந்து தள்ளுறாங்க நம்மளுக்கு அட்வைஸ் அப்படின்னா, we just go, oh MA philosophy which is a very common dialogue that all of us actually use. So for me it's always been like that growing like all my life I've been like growing up with all these crazy Mohan dialogues. So just cut this part please, you can. But அன்னைக்கு வந்து when I heard the news of crazy Mohan Mama passing away, for me I was like, it just reminded me of his iconic dialogue saying, sir எங்கேயோ போயிட்டீங்க sir. So I've just grown up watching all of crazy Mohan Mama's movies, dramas, etc. And I'm sure that I'd also grow old watching and enjoying all of this with all of you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Correct. And I'm just going to change gears a bit from something that's sad to something that's happy. The MMKR சொன்னேன். I think MMKR has such a pivotal thing in my life also, Ani Arabi. Like MBA பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கச்சே during class is when I met Maya, who's now obviously my wife. அவள்கிட்ட, I mean, predominantly we used to speak in English only. But when she found out that I was a Tamilian, she said, "Oh, Tamil pesa theriyuma?" அப்படினு. Now the first thing that I said was an MMKR dialogue in response. Of course, எனக்கு தமிழ் பேச தெரியும். Right? Coffee 2 kilo plus 2 kilo. Cat 3 and a dozen. Right? Something like that. I vaguely remember. அது மாதிரி ஒரு 4 dialogue MMKR அடிச்சுட்டேன். And then she claims at least that was one of the most endearing things that she found. And then one thing led to another. Obviously, and we got married. But MMKR has had such a pivotal moment in my life and Maya's life.
That's crazy that you mentioned that, because I think MMKR Madri, like Ani said, Panchatantram, a lot of like Mohan Mama's, Avai Shanmugi for that matter, a lot of these movies, Abhinav and I, my husband Abhinav Mukund, and I sort of initially bonded over Mohan Mama's dialogues and, Avarodeya films. So we used to sit and binge watch a lot of these films on digital platforms, and that sort of was like a big connect for us. Like, both of us at one point even said, I can't imagine getting married to someone who doesn't know crazy Mohan Odia movies and plays or dialogues.
Correct.
It sort of became like one of those bare necessities for us to sort of keep it going.
Correct. To a large extent, I think maybe I was taught as humorous because I just said Mohan Mama's jokes. ஏன் ஜோக்கே கிடையாது. Mohan Mama jokes சொன்னதுனால people think that I am funny at that point in time. Yeah, so that way, like, super owe so much to Mohan Mama.
That's true for all of us, I guess.
Very true, very true. Also discussing like Mohan Mama, like we've said Mohan Mama's family to us, but we should also talk about how Mohan Mama's extended family also have contributed to our lives and to us growing up in so many ways. Like, for example, my relationship, my equation with Nalini Aunty. For me, I've always been so much in awe of Mohan Mama and his writing and so many other skills that he has, like whether it is his digital art, his அவர் எழுதியிருக்கிற பாட்டு, அவர் எழுதியிருக்கிற poetry. There's so many other facets to Mohan Mama. In fact, I remember when Appa's 60th birthday, Shashtavda Purti Nadakamodu, I went and asked Mohan Mama for, a video, because we were doing like a video collage. And Appo Mohan Mama instantly agreed, and he had such wonderful things to say about us. And that's when it hit me that we've really grown up with him. And Ade Madri, Nalini Aunty is someone whose intelligence I've always been in awe of. Whether it is about education, whether it is about policy, whether it is about human rights, films, there's just her knowledge and her bandwidth in terms of conversation is something that really has inspired me over the years. So I think both of them, Nalini Aunty and Mohan Mama, are just so equally like lucky to have each other in their lives.
Correct. I also remember both Balaji Mama and Mohan Mama's kids also, while we were growing up, Namba Vaatla, Lava Namba Vaatla, always there, studying or playing, street cricket, studying English or Hindi. They used to come home, mathematics lam padipa. So I remember that also very, very vividly.
Correct. Any memories, anything that you'd like to share about Mohan Mama, Balaji Mama's extended families?
Yeah, so I remember going to every single play. So first day ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா ஒரு புது பிளே போடுறா அப்படின்னா that was like ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து ஒரு அவளோட சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் படம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ரிலீஸ் ஆக போய் பாக்குற மாதிரி, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எக்ஸைட்மெண்ட் ஆல்வேஸ். And I used to wait for it, and we used to keep on pestering, I'm sure Mohan Mama and Balaji Mama, when they used to come home and meet us, like, அடுத்த பிளே எப்போ, அடுத்த பிளே எழுதிட்டாளா, எப்போ ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது, and going and then watching that on stage for the first time. And it's the same experience when we watch it for the 100th time also. So that is something for me that is like unmatched.
Very true, very true.
I distinctly remember play பார்க்க போனோம், Mohan Mama அதை சொல்லிட்டு, இன்னைக்கு நான் play பார்க்க வரலாமா, இன்னைக்கு சீட் காலியா இருக்குவா, there'll be 2 seats or 3 seats will keep you அப்படின்னு. As soon as you go into the green room, first thing Mohan Mama will ask, or Balaji Mama, both of them will ask is, ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்டேலா? We say no, then ஒரு corn puff இல்ல ஒரு gold spot, அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒரு definitely வரும். They will always and it will be just before the play. They will be 5 minutes before the play starts. Also, if they see, they will ask, "Kaila saap together and the seat and during interval they will if you go and say hi, they'll just come in to check if you're safe and if everything is fine. Because as kids, I think three of us, or sometimes we've gone alone also. Sometimes we've gone with someone.
Yeah, with our cousins, extended families, with their family, ellaru சேர்ந்து we'll go or picnic madri, we'll like pack and look forward to it, get ready and go. And the funniest part is ஏதாவது ஒரு ஜோக்ல வந்து அவ improv பண்ணுவா, where they mention that we are there, and that will make us feel so important. Like, those little things that they go out of their way to do, which others won't know, but we'll know. ஏதாவது இப்ப மேரேஜ் மேடன் சலூன்ல வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படிக்கிற மாதிரி, and அதுல there'll be some news about us and our names would pop up on stage. And adala vande I think eppadi and the presence of mind, how they deliver, how they do improv was like, it used to excite us as kids. And you really, for me it was like, oh, stage la ivlo vishayam nama on the spot pannalama, and it was a very big learning.
Correct. Adha solite oh unak idu kuda theriyada, idu RBக்கும் தெரியும், வேணா போய் அனிருத்தாட்ட கேட்கலாம், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பேரை எடுத்து விட்டுருவா டயலாக்ல when you guys are there. Remember that.
Very true, very true.
Okay.
I think overall our experience with Mohan Mama, the Crazy Creations, ellame vande has been so personal yet so larger than life. When you watch the films, when you watch the plays, like there's just so much of a personal connect to it. So the very lend yarad vandu Crazy Mohan avangala neenga mama nu கூப்பிடுறீங்களா அப்படினு கேக்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கே வந்து ஒரு கெத்தா இருக்கும். Oh my god, yeah, we are also quite famous, எங்களுக்கு famous personalities லாம் தெரியும் அந்த மாதிரி. Like Damsharad's-லாம் ஏதாவது விளையாடும்போது, like when Mohan Mama's films come, how like our family group alone would get together and we'll be able to guess it real quick. So little things like that growing up, I think used to excite us a lot.
Correct. When I think back now, I think one key thing, a couple of key things from Mohan Mama that will stay with me forever is one, the value of friendship. Right, Crazy Creations group for 50 years. They've been together, and they respected each other, they've had fun, and they continue to do well. Inga na ukand pathana, some half the people I went to college with, I'm still not in touch. Right, and therefore it's important. The value of friendship is one thing that I pick up. The second thing is, I think they have an inane quality in them that makes, be it Mohan Mama or and Balaji Mama, that makes them really reach out and appreciate even the smallest of things that you do. A lot of people just take it for granted and don't. Bombay Varche, Maya and me did nothing. We just went and saw them at Shanmugananda English Show, and Maya had made food. We had taken it and given to them, and then they came home the next day and Maya Pongal panna, and they had Pongal. The Pongal saaptadu okay, but for the next 1 year, every time we met them or every time Appa meet panache kuda, Mohan Mama couldn't stop thanking Maya for making the Pongal, and Balaji Mama also.
And the typical idilla Pongal gods supera panindara Maya adine.
Maya oda Pongal adine, like there's no need. Yeah, I mean, no, it was something that a lot of people would have done, and I'm sure a lot of people have done for Mohan Mama and Balaji Mama in the past. But the quality to remember, to acknowledge, to thank, right, is the other thing that to appreciate. Right? Not a lot of us do it, and a lot of people do it to that extent for sure. So that is like the second thing that I definitely will learn from Mohan Mama and Balaji Mama, Mohan Mama, and that I will take with me forever. These are like the two things. I think, of course, I mean, nobody can underemphasize the loss of Mohan Mama, but to have made what he did with humor, right, means that a lot of people have done worse. Right, the best thing that anybody could do is actually make people laugh and then sign off. Yeah, so, and that's there forever. So that's what I will take back as I remember Mohan Mama. What about you guys?
I don't think we can say it any better. I think he's left us with a lot of laughs, a lot of positivity, especially right now we are in the middle of a pandemic, and I know all of us would have gone back to something that Mohan Mama has written for us to feel positive, for us to feel that happiness and joy, and just to just to fight negativity. And that is like I think he's given us the gift of just life, and we can't thank Mohan Mama enough for that.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Mohan Mama, for all that you have done and you continue doing for us.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Mohan Mama.
Thank
Anyhow.
you.
லைஃபே கார்ட்டூன் ஸ்கெட்சு சிரிப்பே மேஜிக் டச்சு மனசு என்ற அற்புத லாம்பில் மகிழ்ச்சி தானே சுவிட்சு வா புனைவோம் தெனாலி ராமன் வேடமிதி நீ அறிவாய் முல்லா பேர்பால் பாடமிது